Variables, data types, and operators in C# programming. Variables, data types, and operators are fundamental concepts in C# programming. Let's discuss each of them briefly. 1. Variables. Variables are used to store and manipulate data in a program. In C#, variables must be declared before they can be used. The declaration specifies the variable's name and data type. For example, print age / declaration of an integer variable named age. 2. Data types. C# provides various built-in data types to represent different kinds of values. Some commonly used data types include numeric types, int, float, double, decimal, etc. Boolean type, bool. Character type, char. String type, string. Date and time types, date time, time span, etc. Arrays, collections, and more. 3. Operators. Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. C# supports a wide range of operators, including arithmetic operators, plus, slash, %. Assignment operators, equals, plus equals, equals, slash equals. Comparison operators, equals. Logical operators, and vertical bar. Bitwise operators, and vertical bar, greater than, and many more. Operators allow you to perform mathematical calculations, assign values, compare values, and combine conditions, among other operations. In summary, variables are used to store data, data types define the kind of data that can be stored, and operators enable you to perform operations on variables and values. Understanding these concepts is crucial for writing effective and meaningful C# programs. Thanks for watching.